Hey, good morning, everybody. September 1st today. Already to September. It's crazy how fast time goes. Um, Hope you all are doing well. Uh, Yesterday felt a little bit like fall time, which was nice. I liked it. Felt really good. I'm afraid that it's gonna get hot again though this weekend. But anyway, for a moment, it kind of felt like fall time, and I thought it felt really good. Um, Okay, so today I appreciate everybody who got the page 13 turned in yesterday, or no, page 14, which is what we're on right here, turned in yesterday. I saw some great responses. Some people are like, "What will you tell yourself when you face tough challenges this year? Bring it on." Is kind of what I saw from most people. So I think that's cool. Uh, Challenges are tough, but that's how we grow. That's how growth is made. Um, I think that each one of us, as we grow in life and as we progress in life, we're going to be faced with challenges that other people around us aren't faced with. Um, so I think it's very important to have a growth mindset. It's easy to get down. It's easy to get frustrated. Trust me, I've definitely been there before, where I'm down and frustrated and want to quit. Um, but we've got to have that mindset of stick to it, keep grinding, keep driving, and things will work out. We will be rewarded for our effort. I know it. Okay. So once again, just a reminder, our objectives with this, we watched the video yesterday. Um, you guys actually probably saw that on your student application page also. Um, but it had those three individuals, Michael Jordan, J.K. Rowling, and Sonia. And I can't pronounce her last name very well, but she was within the Supreme Court. And all of them, all three of those people who have proven themselves to be very successful had big time issues, had big time struggles, and they kind of shared their stories of what they did to get through. Okay, so all of us, even the best of the best, were at one time in a tough spot. Okay, so we just need to keep grinding, keep working. All right. Today we're gonna finish this up. We're gonna finish up this page 15. Uh, Build your brain. With effort and patience, your brain cells grow new connections that make you smarter. Choosing positive behaviors helps build your brain. Okay, so set a goal. Um, let's think of this. So last winter, I was doing a really good job of. I would wake up in the morning and I would jump on my treadmill and I would walk or jog for, I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes is all. Nothing serious. But it felt good. It felt like I was making some progress. Um, However, once we hit COVID, once we kind of got to summer and I had my summer business going, I'd come home and I was so tired I would make excuses not to get on my treadmill and exercise. Okay, so my goal, I'm gonna get back on that treadmill. I'm gonna get exercising again. I want to feel like I did last winter, and last spring, when I was pretty devoted to it and doing a good job with it. Um, okay, so get in a growth mindset. Okay, so I'm gonna set some goals. I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to walk or run so many miles per week. I want to share just a quick example. So my brother, uh, we're just not big runners in my family. We like to run when we're playing basketball or football or baseball or whatever, but we're just not big like runners. And yesterday he ran a half marathon. He had set a goal to run a half marathon, and he said when COVID hit, that's when he started running a little bit, and his goal was to hit a half marathon and to run the whole thing. To not walk at all, just run the whole thing, and uh, and he did it. Yesterday he did it. So that was pretty awesome for him, and he says it's the what got him through is he felt like he was competing with himself. When it hurt, when it was not fun, when he didn't want to do it, he made himself do it. He was competing with himself. So I thought that was cool. Compete with yourself. Push yourself to new limits. Okay? So he was in a growth mindset. Make a plan. All right? So my plan is going to be at 5:30 in the morning. I'm going to get myself out of bed. I'm going to jump on that treadmill. Okay? I'm gonna go until a specific time, and then I'm gonna get off and get ready to come to school. And it's gonna make, and honestly, I'll probably sleep better at night because I'm waking up earlier and I'm exercising. So that will be a positive of that. Okay, practice using different strategies. Maybe if I need to have a plan B. Okay, so if I have a rough night, for example, last night I slept goofy, and when I sleep goofy, I get monster headaches. So I was battling a migraine through the night, and I wouldn't have been able to, it wouldn't have probably probably wouldn't have been very healthy for me to jump on a treadmill. Okay, so what's my plan B? Right after school, late at night, what am I going to do? Am I going to go double the next day? And then the next option or the next thing is to stick with it. Okay, when it gets tough, stick with it. Keep going. Grind it out. Remember that learning makes you smarter. Okay? All right, so I want you guys to, how did the individuals in the video use strategies to build their brain and work towards success? Okay, so they want you to mark the three individuals. So Michael Jordan, Sonia, J.K. Rowling. Okay, they all had a growth mindset. We've determined the difference in a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. Growth is the one where we're going to get something done. Okay, and then what were the positive behaviors that they displayed to overcome their challenges? Okay, so you guys are going to do that in your book today, and I will have you turn that in by taking a picture and sending it in. I appreciate those of you who have been doing that. Just make sure, guys, that you are getting that done, getting it turned in. Try to write fairly dark. I can read the ones who write dark on their paper a lot better than the ones with like a light pencil. So try to write fairly dark so I can read those. So anyway, once again, so make sure, guys. I hope we're getting into I hope we're getting into the part where we just know exactly where to go. One thing I want to show you. Hold tight for a second. Okay, so when you guys under the I believe it's under to do on your guys's, mine's probably under announcements, but when you're having a hard time logging in to the Read 180 section, let's see, go to this link right here. Okay, please just go to this link, which is under, I believe, under your to do. Click on that and it will take you right to it. Okay, once again, we should be doing at minimum 15 minutes of the personal reading from that, and also 15 minutes from the student application, along with our whole group every single day. Okay, so you should be doing 15 to 20 minutes of reading, independent reading, 15 to 20 minutes of the student application, and that will help us make progress, guys. So keep at it, keep working hard. Holler at me if you need anything, okay? But if you're having trouble signing in, go to this link right here, and I would bookmark it on your computer, okay? So that's one thing that I think we could improve on as a class is when we're making transitions, like when we're going from whole group, we've taken our picture, we've turned it into Canvas. Now it's time to jump on this. Let's make that smoother. Let's get there quicker, okay? All right, guys. Have an awesome day, and holler, email, call me, whatever we need to do, so I can help you if you need it, okay? Thanks so much. Have an awesome day. Goodbye.